So this is day number 3. We are right outside of Zion National Forest, and we found this good camping spot overlooking to the east Zion National Park. From the top also, this amazing overlook. And so far this has been an amazing road trip. Done some off-roading when we got to the Grand Canyon, and we went on this loose gravel road that brought us to this campsite, to this overlook with Zion National Park just on the other side. And let me just tell you, it's been worth every second that I've got to spend on the road with my family to come out here and see thus far 2 national parks. Well, the Grand Canyon, then Zion National Park, and then we're going to be headed to Sequoia National Forest in California, and I'm really looking forward to that. So if you followed along this much so far, just want to say thank you, and hope that you enjoy the rest of this trip with us.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has a clearer light as any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a wreck. tomorrow. There's no time to borrow today. Well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day today.